Categories of ethics. So what are the categories of ethics? So first off, we have the developmental ethics. For development ethics, the true indicator of development is the qualitative enrichment of human beings in all relevant aspects of human life. The Declaration on the Rights to Development provided that right to development is an inalienable human right by virtue of which every human person and all peoples are entitled to participate in, contribute to, and enjoy economic, social, cultural, and political development, in which all human rights and fundamental freedoms can be fully realized. Environmental ethics. The environment, Mother Nature, the nature environment with all its ecosystem service comprise the entire basis of human or for life on the planet. Its value is therefore impossible to quantify or even model. Environment is a total of our surrounding. All the things around us with which we interact, living things, non-living things, our built environment or social relationship and institutions. All the things that are around us which we interact with are called our environment. Human exists within the environment. Our survival depends on the healthy functioning planet. We are part of the natural world. Our interaction with its other parts matter a great deal. This idea is fundamental to environmental science. Values of environment. So instrumental value. So what is the instrumental value of our environment? The environment has the value because it helps people to reach some end: food, shelter, clothing, medicine, entertainment. Ethics has something meaningful to do with the environment. In question humanity relationship to the environment, it is understanding of the responsibility to nature, and it is in its obligation to leave some of nature's resources to prosperity. Environmental ethics is a field. So environmental ethics is a field in applied ethics that asks us a fundamental question about humans and the environment. Environmental quality is necessary for quality of human life. The right to health and the right to an adequate standard of living are some of the economic and social rights invoked in relation to environmental issues. Environmental ethics is theory and practice about appropriate concern for the values in the duties regarding the natural world. Environmental ethics starts with the human concerns for quality environments. There are many ethical decisions that human beings make with respect to the environment. For example, should we continue to clear cuts forest for the sake of human consumption? So cutting forests has a purpose. We needed to make papers, woods, furnitures, and stuff. But will it be good for our environment? Will it be good for our health, our climate? So we must consider that. So should we continue to clear the cut forest for the sake of human consumption? Why should we continue to propagate our species and life itself? What environmental obligation do we need to keep for the future generation? Is it right for humans to knowingly cause extinction of species for the convenience of humanity? How should we best use the conserve the space environment to secure and expand life? A professional ethics. What does it mean by profession? Profession. In simple terms, profession means a type of job that requires special training. A profession is a type of regular job or occupation that a person attains it with a knowledge and skill gained by formal education or special training with a certain institute. A professional is one who has skills, competence, expertise, know-how to proficiency, efficiency, experience, effectiveness, and ability his or her line of work, job, career. Basic elements of profession. It could be based on specialized theoretical knowledge and extensive training that takes a long period. The training here to mean a formal, rational, systemized, and scheduled activity to transfer knowledge and skill from the trainer and the environment to the trainee must be in a particular field. A merit based in a profession member achieve in when we say a merit based in a profession members achieve employment and success based on merit and corresponding voluntary relationship rather than uh, on our corrupted ideals such as social principle, mandated support, or extortion. Example, union members are not professionals. Practical. Practical, a professional should be practical, that is, the professional person must change the knowledge and skills to practical and tangible ways of line, ethical constraints, great responsibility, prestige, autonomy, decision making, complementarities. What is a professional ethics? A professional ethics, as a part of applied ethics, is concerned with the moral obligation and responsibility expected from the office holders and the professionals. So it deals about the specific general guideline that should be followed and exhibited by every professional and office holders. Professionals should be ethical and responsible in the conduct of their rights and duties. They must be aware of their rights and duties so that would know and respect their rights and rights of other citizens. Since every profession is meant to achieve societal goal of one form or another, it is applied in social environment. It becomes necessary to work in accordance with the moral values and principles of the people in which it is applied. Every profession has its own ethics code of conduct. The qualities that are most required in the work environment. Attendance, arrive on time and give advance notice of absence. Character displays loyalty, honesty, truthfulness, dependability, reliability, and initiative, self-discipline, and self-responsibility. Teamwork, respect for the right of others, is a team worker and is cooperative. Appearance displays appropriate dress, grooming, hygiene, and integrity. Attitude demonstrate a positive attitude. Productivity, good work habit results in a good work product. Next, we got organizational skills. Manifest organizational skill, manifest skills in personal management, time management, prioritizing, flexibility, stress management, and the ability to deal with change. Communication displays an appropriate verbal and nonverbal skills. Cooperation displays leadership skills, maintain an appropriate relationship with the supervisors and peers. Respect deals appropriately with diversity and treats everyone with respect. What is the importance of professional ethics? So, what are the importance of all those 12 things we have stated earlier? So, first, inspiring and guiding, support for responsible conduct, determining and disciplining unethical and unprofessional conduct like corruption, education and promotion of mutual understanding, contributing to a positive public image of the profession, protecting status quo, and suppressing dissent within the profession. Unethical practice of employers.